Hello friends, due to some uploading issues on YouTube, yesterday we can't upload a video. So sorry for that all of you. So yesterday's video will be uploaded today. So let's move to our questions. So first question, in plant breeding programs, the entire collection of plants or seeds having all the diverse alleles for all genes in a given crop is called option A evaluations and selections of parents, option B germplasm collection, option C selections of superior recombinant, option D cross hybridization among selected parents. So our answer is option B germplasm collection. So germplasm collection is a mode of plant breeding program that is the entire collection of plants or seeds having all the diverse alleles for all genes in a given crop. So let's moving to second question. Infections of ascaris usually occur by option A CC fly, option B mosquito bites, option C drinking water containing egg of ascaris, option D eating imperfectly cooked pox. So our answer is option C drinking water containing egg of ascaris. So due to this infections of ascari occurs. So let's move to third question. Identify the site where Wisteria bancrofti is normally found in human body. Option A muscles of leg, option B blood vessels of thigh region, option C skin between fingers, option D lymphatic vessels. So our answer is option D, lymphatic vessels. So lymphatic vessels is a site where Wisteria bancrofti is normally found in human body. Our fourth question, the tendency of population to remain in genetic equilibrium may be disturbed by option A lack of mutation, option B lack of random mating, option C random mating, option D lack of migration. So our answer is option B lack of random mating. So lack of random mating causes the tendency of population to remain in genetic equilibrium may be disturbed. So fifth question, which enzyme will be produced in a cell if there is a nonsense mutation in LAC-Y gene? Option A transacetylase, option B lactose permease and transacetylase, option C beta galactosidase, option D lactose permease. So let's look, our answer is option C beta galactosidase. So beta galactosidase is the enzyme will be produced in a cell if there is a nonsense mutation in LAC-Y gene occur. So moving to sixth question, what external changes are visible after last mount of a cockroach? Option A, both forewings and hindwings develop. Option B, labium develops. Option C, mandible becomes harder. Option D, anal cerci develops. So our answer is option A, both forewings and hindwings develop. So both forewings and hindwings will develop during the external changes are visible after the last mount of a cockroach. So moving to our seventh question, lenticels are involved. Option A food transport, option B photosynthesis, option C transpiration, option D gaseous exchange. So our answer is option D gaseous exchange. So lenticels are involved in gaseous exchange. So our eighth question, in China rose the flowers are option A zygomorphic, hypogynous with implicate estivation. It's a wrong statement because the flower is not a zygomorphic and hypogynous with implicate estivation is also a wrong statement. Option B, zygomorphic epigamous with twisted estivation. It's a wrong statement because the flower is not a zygomorphic, and epigamous with twisted estivation is also a wrong statement. Option C, actinomorphic hypogamous with twisted estivation. It's a correct statement. So option C should be our answer. Let's look at option D, actinomorphic epigamous with velvet estivation. It's also a wrong statement. So our answer should be actinomorphous morphic hypogamous with twisted estivation. It should be our answer. Ninth question. A good producer of citric acid is option A, Clostridium, option B, Saccharomyces, option C, Aspergillus, option D, Pseudomonas. So our answer is option C, Aspergillus. So Aspergillus niger is a good producer of citric acid. So let's see 10th question. Our last question is, which of the following Bt cotton is being grown in India by farmers? Option A, brinjal, option B, soybean, option C, maize, option D, cotton. So our answer is option D, cotton. So cotton is the Bt cotton is being grown in India by farmers. So if you like our channel, please subscribe our channel. For getting notifications for our new video, please click on the bell icon. So thank you everyone for watching our video. We can see in our next video.